The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be a true flagship powerhouse, combining extreme performance with cutting-edge features. It boasts a 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors ideal for gaming and multimedia. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and virtually limitless space for apps, games, and media. Photography enthusiasts will be amazed by the 400MP main camera, offering unprecedented detail and clarity. The 8,500 mAh battery, complemented by 120W fast charging, guarantees all-day usage and rapid recharge times, making the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G a complete package that excels in display, performance, camera capabilities, and battery endurance.